Hey you guys, this might be the shortest tutorial you've ever seen. This is a eyelash serum that I'm going to make and show you how to make. So it's super easy. I got organic castor oil from Amazon and it came in this little pouch, which is super cute. And it had a pre-filled container like this. This is for right above your eyelashes. And then this is like a mascara wand with the castor oil in it. So all you're going to do is open this. And castor oil has been shown to promote growth of eyelashes and hair, and so has cedarwood. I recommend adding this essential oil to your shampoo, for example. And I'm going to do 5 to 10 drops of cedarwood in there. 3. Kind of has to get in a little bit, so just tap it gently. 4, 5, 6, and tap it again. And at first I was a bit scared that cedarwood or lavender would affect, like it would irritate my eye, but it really doesn't. I use every day a mascara that has lavender essential oil in it. So this is lavender essential oil, and it's truly a Swiss Army knife of essential oils. You can use it for so many things, but it's amazing for skin and hair and all of these things. So definitely lavender and cedarwood for anything hair related. And then just add your wand in there and you're gonna give it a little swirl. And then this is something that you can apply on your eyelashes every night before going to bed. So it has time to work all night long. The night is when your skin cells and your whole body regenerate. So it's a perfect time to do extra skincare on your face or on your eyelashes. So there it is. I'm loving the results I'm having with my lavender infused mascara. And so I thought I would kick it up a notch and try this one. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, it's the shortest tutorial ever. Have a great day.